What's up guys, it's me obviously, and I'm gonna clean my room right now because it's disgusting. This is my genuine mess. Like, normally I wouldn't be as not caring with throwing crap on my floor. Since I knew I was doing this video, I just let the mess happen and the nastiness get worse and worse. And it's not that bad like some of the videos I've seen on YouTube. Like, it's like a foot of clothes, but yeah, it's not pretty. It's mainly just clothes, and I'm gonna deep clean though. Like, I'm gonna get rid of clothes and go through my drawers and throw crap away. Let's just start cleaning, and I'm gonna play music and just get right into it. First, let's do an overview of the room. This is my room right when you walk in. It's just clothes, honestly. And then, like, I have grapes on the floor that I dropped because my mom scared me. And I left these here just because I need to clean them out. But I'm going to start a Red Bull wall as well. And I have a bunch of Monster cans. This is my makeup rack that's just stained from, like, foundation. We're not going to talk about it. But, like, see, we're going to go, like, deep cleaning. Like that kind of. I can't even open this that much. So, it'd be that my chair's in the way, but, like, yeah. Also, just my closet. It's disgusting, and we're gonna use a big bag. I got new shoes. Thank you, Riley. This bag is from my school. Everything that was in my locker from school. I'm just gonna wash everything that was in here. It wasn't much. It was just my shorts and some shoes. This is amazing. If you've never tried this, 10 out of 10. This thing sucks up literally everything. So I brought in my clean clothes from the dryer over there. So I'm going to move this forward first of all. So I'm going to dump my clean clothes on my bed with the rest of these clothes, and then put all my dirty clothes in the basket. And then I'm going to move all that crap on my desk. I literally am I don't like my reflection. I don't ride my skateboard, and I spent like a lot of money on it. just gonna leave this in here. I hate this thing, but it holds all of my useless clothes. So I am gonna put this thing in the garage, but I'm gonna keep it in here just in case this ends up being way too much clothes to put in there. So this is all the clothes I'm getting rid of, which ended up being a lot more. Okay, this is what I thought I was getting rid of, but now, if you look at something and say, I'm not going to wear that, but I'll keep it, get rid of it. If you don't feel like, oh, I'll wear that when blah, 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 no. Literally just get rid of it because you're just going to keep, what even is this? You're just going to keep telling yourself like, oh, I'll wear it sometime, but you're not going to wear it. So just, instead of letting it take up room in your closet, give it away. Unless you have an emotional attachment to it, just throw it away. Or give it away. Because lots of people will wear the stuff that you're getting rid of. So, I'm going to get on this chair and hopefully not die. I regret nothing of my actions. 3 weeks later, this mess happened. I don't know why or how, but it's disgusting. So I'm gonna clean my room and watch American Horror Story instead of listen to music because I don't have Spotify Premium anymore and I didn't make my playlist yet, so it's kind of unmotivating to listen to music now. We're gonna do this again. I'm wearing the same shorts as the video. That's just a coincidence. But yeah, so we're gonna start with my disgusting desk, and I'm gonna turn on American Horror Story. Me and my mom have been rewatching Gossip Girl 10 out of 10 if you have not seen it. I'm gay as all hell, but Chuck, woo! It's my mom's new merch. The only thing that's changed is that there's a white outline, but it's really nice. I like it. I'm just gonna make my bed really quick. And then we're done. So, yeah. Okay, so my room is done. That looks okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna. That's just. I don't like my reflection. That's just my travel stuff, and then I'm gonna plug it in right now. Yeah.
Beats.